beach day today, which also happens to be Alma's birthday! The whole reason why we're in Hawaii is because of Alma's birthday. I am using my iPhone to vlog. I'm not using my bigger camera because it might actually get wet or I might actually drop it. But we are here at Hapuna Beach. Look at the color of that water. Unreal. It is so hot. So hot. So hot. There are so many people right now. It's actually noon. We arrived here pretty late. I have not been on beach water for 2 years probably. The last time was in Hawaii also. In Kauai. So nice. The temperature is so nice. Alright, we are now at Bay Beach in Waikoloa. It is quite windy. We are waiting for our boat, which is right behind me. Somewhere. For our sunset catamaran ride. We are waiting to board that boat to go to that boat out there. And man, oh man, there are so many passengers, strangers that we will be interacting with.
get a jar of salt and put it in a container in your bathtub. When you take a shower, just sprinkle some on and then salt. It's called salt bath. Look it up. Google it. Salt bath.
Salt bath?
Salt bath.
Bath.
It's cleansing for your spirit.
But there is a salt bath, right?
Yeah. Like Epsom salt is.
So yeah, Epsom salt with lavender or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying is,
Like table salt?
Yeah.
What,
if you're
table
showering,
salt?
yeah. Any sort of
not the
salt.
thick
Himalayan.
Himalayan, yeah.
Oh,
what? I have a
Himalayan.
sea salt.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's what I thought. Yeah. So sea salt. This is sea salt here. All right, it's dinner time, and we are at Camuela, which is located inside the hill chain. And for this dinner, it is Alma's birthday dinner, and it happens to be a prefix dinner. And my starter is actually going to be oysters. Mango with black sesame. Let's try it. Today was supposed to be a chill day, but it turned out to be not so much. It's just tiring because we have to drive. We're staying at the Kona side, but we are here on the Waikoloa side, which is about an hour away from where we are staying. And even though with a late start, for some reason hanging out at the beach is tiring. We were there for an hour and a half maybe. I'm really not a beach person, only because I don't tan, I get burned. All right, so oysters.
Oh, I said that's yeah, I heard that. And she looked at me and she was like, salad? Oh.
Yummo.
I was like,
And I'm having my first, I don't know if this is my first, but I'm having a lava flow. Yum. All right, for the second course, I got the braised short ribs with wild mushroom pasta. Ravioli. The filling, the short rib filling and mushroom is inside. So it's stuffed ravioli basically. Let's try that. Oh yeah. Definitely short ribs in there. Very good. Very tasty. No? The catamaran activity in and of itself, it's actually a non-event. It was really the crew. The crew was so much fun. Very sociable. Oh, and the actual ride was almost like a roller coaster ride because the waters were very choppy today. But you were out there, or we were out there for the sunset, to catch the sunset. I'm sorry, made a mistake. The mushroom is not stuffed. They're sides. I thought they were also inside the pasta, but it's not. So good. So good. Everyone is pretty much exhausted. It's a the sun, the heat.
It's good.
It's a little more
Good pick,
exhausting
good pick.
today actually than yesterday.
Let's make it an official prank and then we can do a little birthday wish there.
Ooh.
And, yeah, now
You have to turn it smooth. Stop. No, not too much. Stop. That's good. Oh,
Can you do it? Can you do a video?
Oh.
got it? Or should I go? I can do the video while you get home. Sing or something, because I'm gonna probably bring the rain if I do something.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
There's no
Oh no! Happy birthday to you.
Shoot. That's just like planning to blow it myself.
I know.
Oh man, that's not a good birthday. Let me ask.
No noodles.
I know, but you need the candle.
I need the candle.
It blew
Just
up.
send you the video.
We'll just say one big happy.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll just do it like that. Okay.
Okay. Just okay. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
Alright, there you go. Now it's official.
It's official.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, now
My only mess left.
we are having dessert. And this is Banana Evolution. Let's see. Oh, sorry, they gave me a shovel.
Yeah.
Okay, one more.
So big. Okay.
Very sweet. Is this portrait? Oh no, that. Did anybody? Is that a fork that someone?
It
Mmm.
was a tomato. Yeah.
Mmm. Was that chocolate in it?
Here, Red.
Mm-hmm.
No, I can give you. Hold on.
It doesn't really taste like banana
Pour it on. I'll scoop you in.
because the middle is chocolate, is a chocolate cake.
Yeah.
Mmm. It doesn't taste like banana at all.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
What's it taste like?
Chocolate cake.
Really? Is it?
Oh, that's.
Oh, I
One
think
for
I see a
two.
little. Is it a cheesecake? Like what's the
Not a
white part?
cheesecake. It's a crunch. I don't know actually. Anyway, so I think this is a good place and time to end this vlog. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button and bell icon below, make sure to click on that to get notified of future videos, and there's a lot more Hawaii vlogs to come. And also for real-time photos and videos, make sure to check out my Instagram page at Assetimages or my Facebook page at Assetimages. So from my Mai Tai to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.